What if I told you that happiness isn't just a mood, but a skill you can train your brain to master? Neuroscience reveals something amazing. Your brain is not fixed. It's constantly changing, adapting, and rewiring itself through a process called neuroplasticity. That means your habits, your thoughts, and even your daily routines can literally shape how happy you feel. Today, we're diving into 10 science-backed ways to rewire your brain for long-lasting happiness. Let's get started. Number 1, practice gratitude daily. Gratitude is like a happiness fertilizer for your brain. Neuroscientists have discovered that when you regularly acknowledge things you're thankful for, your brain's neural pathways begin to strengthen in regions associated with joy and well-being. It's like teaching your brain to naturally scan the world for positives instead of negatives. Something as simple as writing down 3 things you're grateful for each night can actually rewire your mind to feel more optimistic. Think of it as switching your brain's default setting from problems to possibilities. Number 2, train your brain with mindfulness. Stress is one of the biggest happiness killers, but mindfulness meditation has been proven to combat it at the neurological level. Just 10 minutes of mindfulness a day reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, while increasing gray matter in the prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for focus, decision-making, and calmness. In simple terms, mindfulness gives your brain a mental spa day. By practicing awareness of the present moment, you're essentially strengthening your brain's happiness circuits and building resilience against negativity. Number 3, move your body, move your mood. Exercise doesn't just make your muscles stronger, it also reshapes your brain. Physical activity increases the release of endorphins and dopamine, both chemicals tied directly to happiness. More importantly, it boosts the production of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which acts like fertilizer for your neurons, helping them grow and connect. Studies show that even a 20-minute walk can significantly improve mood. So the next time you're feeling low, remember, moving your body is like hitting the reset button on your brain. Number 4, rewire through learning. Your brain craves novelty, and learning something new is one of the best ways to feed it. When you learn a language, play an instrument, or even try a new recipe, your brain releases dopamine, the reward chemical. This sense of achievement not only boosts happiness in the moment, but also builds new neural pathways that keep your mind sharp and motivated. Think of it as giving your brain a workout. It thrives when challenged, and every new skill you learn is like unlocking a hidden treasure chest of joy. Number 5, the power of positive self-talk. The way you talk to yourself literally shapes your brain's wiring. Negative self-talk strengthens pathways connected to stress and anxiety, while positive affirmations build circuits tied to confidence and resilience. Neuroscience shows that your brain often can't tell the difference between imagination and reality. So repeating uplifting thoughts trains it to believe them. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," try saying, "I'm learning and improving every day." Over time, this shift in language creates a mental blueprint for happiness and success. Number 6, sleep your way to joy. Sleep isn't just rest, it's brain maintenance. During deep sleep, your brain cleans out toxins that build up throughout the day and consolidates positive memories. Without enough sleep, your amygdala, the fear center of the brain, goes into overdrive, making you more reactive to stress and negativity. But with 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep, your prefrontal cortex functions at its best, allowing you to feel calm, balanced, and happy. Simply put, good sleep is one of the most underrated happiness hacks in neuroscience. Number 7, build strong social connections. Humans are wired for connection. When you bond with friends or family, your brain releases oxytocin, often called the love hormone. This chemical not only reduces stress, but also strengthens trust and happiness. In fact, studies show that people with strong social ties live longer, healthier, and happier lives. Even small acts, like calling a friend, sharing a laugh, or giving someone a genuine compliment, activate the same brain regions as eating delicious food. Connection is more than a luxury. It's a biological necessity for joy. Number 8, harness the power of nature. Spending time outdoors does more for your brain than you might think. Research shows that being in nature reduces activity in the brain's rumination center, the part responsible for overthinking and negativity. At the same time, it increases feelings of peace and creativity. Sunlight boosts serotonin, a key mood-regulating chemical, while fresh air helps oxygenate your brain. Just 20 minutes in a park can shift your brain chemistry toward happiness. So the next time you're stuck in a loop of negative thoughts, step outside and let nature rewire your mind. Number 9, give, don't just get. Acts of kindness light up the brain's reward system even more than receiving gifts. Neuroscience shows that generosity boosts dopamine and activates the brain's helper's high. Volunteering, helping a friend, or even holding the door for someone trains your brain to link giving with pleasure. Over time, these actions reinforce pathways of empathy, compassion, and joy. Happiness doesn't come from what we take, it comes from what we give away. By making kindness a daily habit, you reprogram your brain to thrive on joy. Number 10, visualize your best future. Your imagination has the power to shape your reality. Visualization activates the same neural circuits as actually experiencing something. When you picture yourself succeeding, happy, or calm, your brain fires the same pathways it would if it were real. Athletes use this technique to improve performance, but it also works for happiness. By spending a few minutes each day visualizing a joyful life, you're priming your brain to recognize opportunities and build the mindset needed to make it happen. It's like creating a happiness rehearsal that eventually becomes your reality. Happiness isn't just luck, it's a skill you can train. From gratitude and mindfulness to exercise, sleep, and kindness, these 10 neuroscience-backed habits can literally rewire your brain for joy. The best part, you don't have to change your entire life overnight. Start small, pick one habit, and let the science of neuroplasticity work its magic. Over time, those small shifts will grow into lasting happiness. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who could use a little brain boost today. Remember, you have the power to rewire your brain for happiness.